If you're new to the project, a big warm welcome. If you're a tough old root, then welcome back. Today, we are paying someone to redo our well. But first, we have to cut down a tree, haul it away, as well as cut a hole in the roof.
Now that we got the tree cut down, the brush hauled off, and the firewood bucked up, it's time to start removing the shingles off of this little building here. I just got a pair of gloves, a crowbar, and myself same chainsaw. We'll pull off the shingles, expose the wood, cut a hole, so that the well man can gain access to the wellhead with his cherry picker truck. Yep, that's it. It's just that easy, you know? Hey, what can I say? And there we go. There is our access point for the well man to get to the wellhead to then replace basically everything down there. You know, it wasn't easy, but it doesn't happen a lot. Well pumps are very, very tough.
This one had been running, as far as we know, for at least 7 years constantly. And it finally, I mean, it didn't even really die. It just got so weak it was useless. So, would I install an access point? I don't know. I think the best thing to do is just make a lighter weight roof and make it removable. Because you know, that would have been the best case scenario. Really, really lightweight roof. Pull the thing off, do your work, put it right back on with no cutting. Either way, the thing is done. Now we just wait for the well man to show up and do the work. I also totally broke some of this pipe whenever the roof bit fell down, so add that to the list.
It's like hundreds and hundreds of feet of pipe going straight down. So if they're pulling out that much, they don't cut it. And then they tap it to the left bit. Pull it out.
So we're back in the well house now after they've completed all of their work. They worked really, really quickly. And there wasn't a whole lot to see because all of the business end was inside of this building. However, they replaced our pump and they replaced our wire. And they did so in less than 4 hours, which is really one of the main selling points, right? You have someone else do it. A, you don't have to do it. B, you get a guarantee. And C, you get your system back up and running the quickest possible. So all in all, I do think it was worth paying those guys to come out here and do this, even if the price tag was really, really high. However, we are now back up to minimal acceptable standards. We have water, and that water drains into a septic, which is rock and roll. If you liked what you saw, hit that button. If you're new to the project, hit that other button. You want to help support the project, there are links below. Until next time, here, Steve in the Woods.